Mr. Cappert. This is a second video in assembling your catapult. You should have already watched my first video and put your side together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble the wheels. So you're going to do place. You're going to find your wheels and hold down Control to bring in your axle at the same time. And you want to bring in just two of these. Left click, right click, OK. Now, the easiest way to do this that I've found, I'm sure there's other ways to do this, is to use constrain and insert. And you want to press the circle here that you want up against the other circle, like that. Now notice I have a conflict here. Let me double check something. One of the wheels on, and now I want to put an axle on, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to touch the circular surface, so it can either be this circle or this circle, doesn't matter, they're on the same plane. And I'm going to say, hey, that should go right up against this circle. Hit apply. Now if you want to be realistic and show space, you could do something like that. You do not have to do that, but if you want to be real accurate in the future with this, and you have an offset on some kind of axle, you'd want to do it that way. Apply, and then you're going to do the same thing with this wheel here. Remember to always hit apply. And then make sure you always save. You're saving often here. And you want to save to all dependents. Always hit that button. Hope this helped. Let me know if you have any more questions.